Yeah, hi Neil, it's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know that I've done your laser for you. Okay. Basically, I've checked it, I've given it a good clean. I've actually had to replace one of the cogs because it was just so worn. It was just flopping around all over the place. So, it would have probably gone down within a month. It was really bad. I'll be honest with you, this has really had, a fair amount of use on it, to be honest with you. I'm guessing this has come out of a pub. But I've given it a good clean for you. I've put, like I say, I've put a new cog in. I've only put the big cog in there for you, the main drive cog. Okay, to get you out of trouble there. So you shouldn't get any problems with that now, in regards to that. But I've done that. I've not charged you for it. I'm not going to charge you for it. So think of it as a Christmas present. It's but it's only a used one that I've put in there anyway. But it's got a lot more life than the one that you had in there. I think I've got it here. This is the one here. It's like really, I mean, you can see the colour of it. It's smoky, where someone's been smoking and stuff. Quite yeah, like a yellow. But yeah, it's all working now. I'll just turn it up so you can hear it. So yeah, any problems you get that with, laser wise within the next 6 months, you've got a 6-month warranty on that. So any issues there, just send it back to us and we do it free of charge for you. But that will only cover the CD laser. Okay. I've noticed that there's other work been done in this board. I think you've had a new motor, or someone's put a motor in the top there, because I can see by the soldering there, the soldering's not what it should be. But I haven't touched that. It's working, so I'm not going to touch it. So yeah, that's all good for you, and you should have a few years left in that yet. Just send these things to specialist places when you do them. Because you can save yourself a lot of money at the long run. I know everyone wants to do their lasers and stuff. We all try, and we've all done it, and sometimes you can do a bit of damage, and it just ends up costing so much bloody money. It's just not worth it. And I know several people who've done it, but it's not a problem. It could have probably been done before you even bought it. I don't know, but I'll just let you know that it's there. That's one of the main motor there has been. It looks to me like it's been replaced. All the ribbon cable's been replaced, one or the other. But yeah, thank you very much, and I hope this is all sorted for you and you're happy. Please leave feedback, and again, you've got a 6-month warranty on this, on parts, on the part of the laser and my labour. So yeah, stay safe, look after yourself, and have a great holiday. Thank you very much, Neil. Thank you.